What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a really cool piece of content, really cool piece of software to share with you guys today, something that I've been using for the last week and a half. And essentially what it does is it compresses your raw image files down by 60 to 70% without losing any quality whatsoever. I'm really excited to share this with you, so stay tuned. We're going to dive into it in just a second. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josiah Blizzard, in case you don't know me, and I have some really cool content to share with you guys today. Essentially, I was approached, maybe not approached, that sounds a little creepy, but I was emailed about a week and a half ago from DotPhoton Raw, and they wanted me to check out their software, their product that they claimed could compress raw image files straight out of camera down to like 60 to 70% of the original file size, which really piqued my interest because I'm sick of filling these up really quickly. I mean, we're shooting, I don't know, tens of gigs, right? We're shooting like 50, 60, 70 gigs per wedding. Some people are even shooting more than that. So I think we're on the low side, but yeah, like I was like very excited to hear about this product. And so they sent me a free demo to use, and guys, it works. It's actually crazy. I mean, this is going to be a game changer for our business. We're adding this into our workflow now, and very excited to show this to you guys. This is called DotPhoton Raw. I've left a link to the software below in the description, and I'm also giving away 3 free softwares, 3 free licenses later on at the end of this video. So if you want to hear about that and how you can win those, stay tuned for that. So stick around. So let's dive into the computer here, and I will show you exactly how to use DotPhoton Raw. So you have DotPhoton here on the left. You have my clients folder here on the right, Jesse and Olivia's folder. And what we have here is, the tagged and unedited. These 2 folders here are the raw folder files. These are all of my culled images, and this is the folder we're going to be compressing today. So how does this software work? Well, it's really simple. All you got to do is take this and drop it in there. Seriously, it's that easy. No joke. So you can see that it's now importing 673 files. Now, it's not going to actually import all of them, right? You can see 337 of them were skipped. Those 337 files were, in fact, .xmp files. Don't need those. These are going to be converting the ARWs or the CR2s if you're on Canon. I don't know what Nikon uses, but converting those into .DNGs so that you can edit those in Lightroom a little bit later. You can see down at the bottom here, they're going to compress 336 files. Approximately 6.5 gigs will be saved. It'll probably actually be closer to 5.5 or 5. This overestimates sometimes. After it's in here, I mean, you can see that 23 megs is the average file size for each of my raw images. All you got to do is select the folder you want this to export out to. I normally create a DotPhoton folder inside of my client's workspace so that I'm exporting these files out to the DotPhoton folder. Click open, and then under more here at the bottom, I normally just click create subfolders with source folder names in the output folder. So once those 2 things are checked, and then you're pretty much good to go. All you got to do is hit the start button here, and it will start compressing. It does take a little bit. This will probably take a few minutes to get through, so I'll catch back up with you guys in just a moment.
A few minutes later.
All right, so this is just finishing up. Let's see how many gigs it saved us. 5 gigs, 5 total gigs. That's super awesome. So we can check to see how big. Remember, my folder file here, file size was 8.42 gigs. Let's see how it did here. 3.22 gigs, and if you did math quicker than that, because you knew 5 gigs was saved, you knew it was around 3.2 gigs, but 3.2 gigs. So, I mean, you're looking at like, I don't know what that percentage is, to be honest, but what, probably somewhere around 60%. So 5 gigs, I mean, that's a substantial savings, and over the course of a year where you're shooting 25, 30 weddings, maybe more, and you have hard drives that are just filling up left and right, and you have 70 gigs per wedding. I mean, you're going to be saving a lot. That's like a 60% savings on space there. So I don't really know what that would equate to, but if you had 100 gigs, 60% of 100 gigs, it's going to take it down to 40 gigs of space. Take it from 100 down to 40. I think I did that math right. If I didn't, I'm sorry, but you can double check. I don't know. But yeah, like I think that's pretty rad, right? So that's pretty much DotPhoton Raw, guys. Let me show you something else real quick. This is their website. If you want to compare file sizes and files together and all of that good stuff, you can do that by scrolling down here. And there's actually a whole boatload of people who have uploaded their own images to DotPhoton Raw into this website here, and you can check out the before and after and kind of nitpick, pixel peep there if you might on their images. I'm not going to do that for you guys because these guys have already done it. So you can check out theirs, and I encourage you to check out the site as well. You can see all of the cameras that are supported at the moment. These are really kind of the major cameras on the market. I'm sorry the 6D is not there yet, but if you have a 6D, you can upvote now to get it supported ASAP. So I encourage you to do that. And these are the pricing here. I would suggest going with the $149 one one-time payment because it'll be worth it. Buy it forever, get support and updates as it comes. So guys, that's it for DotPhoton Raw. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple, very easy to use, and it's going to save you guys a ton of hard drive space. Really, really awesome. In the long run, it's going to save you money, so that's cool too. I told you I'm giving away 3 free licenses to DotPhoton Raw. That is actually, they're going to be given away in my Patreon. So if you want to be in the drawing for that, all you got to do is sign up for the Patreon and you'll get a boatload of other bonuses and content and things like additional posing content, some behind the scenes stuff that you've never seen on the YouTube channel. We're in the middle of an email series right now where I'm giving you guys over 50 emails that I use in my business on the daily. They're templates for you guys to grab, plug in, and use in your business. And there's even a video that goes along with each email. And there's 4 questionnaires and a single timeline formula that I use for every single wedding. So you can get all of that over there right now. We're also doing live Q&As, website reviews, monthly giveaways. Maybe not monthly, but hopefully eventually monthly giveaways. Some other good stuff is coming in 2020 and 2021. So check out the Patreon content index that I've linked in the description. You can see everything that is coming in 2020 and 2021, and I'd love to have you be part of the community. I am going to be giving away these 3 free licenses for DotPhoton Raw on April 15th. That is tax day, in case you did not know. And so that's what I'm going to be doing the drawing. So if you're not over there, then yeah, that's your loss. But would love to have you in the community. So other than that, that's about it, guys. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. Maybe hit that like button as well if you're feeling generous. And share this content with a friend who might find it helpful or valuable. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.